Attitudes affect our behavior, and our behavior in turn our actions. In most cases, what we give determines what we get back, and that includes respect on the road. So what exactly constitutes respect and what does not? Respect on the road means showing respect to other road users. And we're going to delve into what constitutes bad respect and good respect. There are so many things about the respect on the road that can create accidents, and there's so many things that can make driving such a joyful thing for us to do. What are the issues involved with disrespect on the road? The first one is changing lanes without indicating your intention. When someone is driving and you suddenly change lane in front of them and you do not indicate that that's the action you want to take, that is showing disrespect. If you're honking your horn uncontrollably just because you're in a hurry, that is showing disrespect to the person that you're blowing your horn to. It is possible that they do not have the capability to drive the way you are. So when you're honking your horn, you're showing total disrespect. When you abuse someone on the road for no reason at all, just because you're in a bad mood, you're showing disrespect to that person. And it's even more concise when the person is a woman and you're calling her names just because they're not able to drive as aggressive as you seem to be driving. So when you abuse someone on the road, that is disrespectful. When you're overtaking someone where you're not supposed to overtake, i.e. coming off the main highway going onto a dirt road, and then you just suddenly pull out and pull in front, you're showing disrespect. When you park on the road and you're having a chat with someone on the road and someone is behind you minding their own business, but you don't seem to care, you're showing total disrespect. When you go to a public car parking space and someone is in front of you waiting to go into that space, but you aggressively take up that space, that is showing total disrespect. Now, how do we change all this to make sure that people see that you're respectful? For example, if someone was to give you way to come out from a side road and you gesture to them and you say thank you, that is showing respect, that you acknowledge that they have done something nice. Now you create a good feeling for that person. It is good to show respect by just maintaining your lane discipline, and you don't just suddenly just change and do whatever you think you can do. It is a good, respectful behavior if you do not need to abuse anyone, even if they have aggravated you by their bad behavior. But you don't show disrespect by doing waka or turning your fingers, all sorts of different things that we seem to do on the road. That is quite disrespectful. So you can be a better person in this Lagos, you can be a better person in this country when we all show respect to each other. If someone is crossing the road and the person happens to be elderly, give them a bit of respect and give them ample time to cross the road. But if you drive and you rev so close to them in such an aggressive way to force them to want to run when they don't need to, that is disrespectful. So we can show respect in so many ways on the road, and I can guarantee that the accident rate that we have in this state, in this city, would reduce totally, because people want to leave their house and feel respected. And this is something that we can imbibe amongst ourselves, and we will see that the safety issues, the concerns, and the good attitude and the respect will be something that we all do on a daily basis. You don't need no training for us to achieve that. This is a message from Lamata. Keep safe. Keep Lagos moving.